In the last period, we had seen how the cathode rays were discovered. Now today we'll see the properties of cathode rays. That day we saw in the discharge tube that the cathode rays were produced from the cathode and then moved towards the anode. So it was observed that the cathode rays always travel in a straight line. Then they cause glow in a phosphorescent substance if it is put behind the anode. So it shows that the cathode rays will travel in a straight line and they move towards the anode. They move towards the anode, and if they strike the zinc sulfide screen, which causes glow to produce when the energy particles strike on them. Then we had also seen that they are negatively charged. We saw it with the help of an experiment in which we put the positively charged plate near the discharge tube, and it was seen that the cathode rays deflected towards the positively charged plate, showing that it causes an attraction between the cathode rays and the positively charged plate. Then magnetic field also, if it is applied, then it was seen that the rays get deflected according to the nature that they are negatively charged. Then they produce X-rays. X-rays are produced when these rays fall on some metallic objects, for example tungsten. When they fall on tungsten, then the electrons present in the tungsten will be removed and the other electrons will be coming to fill the gaps in the tungsten atoms. This causes the electrons to move away from tungsten and X-rays are produced. Then they penetrate through the matter. They are high energy particles. They have a tendency to penetrate through metals also. Then they cause ionization. They cause ionization means they are capable of removing the electrons of the gases which are kept in the discharge tube. Then their charge and mass ratio remains same for all the substances. That means the electrons mass and charge ratio will be same because individual electrons will be removed from the atoms of any element. Then they produce shadow of the opaque objects. Now what are the properties? On the basis of this, the properties of electrons are that electrons are integral part of all the substances. That means electrons are present in all the atoms of all elements. Then they have a negligible mass. Their mass is 1 upon 1837 times that of a hydrogen atom, and they carry a unit negative charge. So on the basis of the experiment done by William Crookes, these electrons were discovered by J.J. Thomson.